The next section will cover stripes and structures, and using them to format your email. Now you can start constructing your email. This is where it gets interesting. As I mentioned, stripes are the foundation of your emails. All bespoke and free templates have stripes already set up for convenience. Within your email, if you click to the far left or far right of the margin on either side of your email, you will select a stripe. You will know if you have selected something if a dark gray border has appeared around the selected item, with the name of that item in the top left of that border. Should you need to add a new stripe, select an existing stripe on the email and click the plus icon. Choose the starting structure you need within your stripe. Once added, the settings panel to the left will change, allowing you to amend the settings as required. Message area is where you can select the type of stripe. Each stripe can have multiple structures within it. Structures control the number of columns in your emails. If you need a new structure within your stripe, select Content and click Structures. Then simply drag the structure you need to the relevant point in your stripe. You can adjust the number of columns, as well as the width of columns within the left menu after selecting a structure.